Hi, today I want to give you a short review on this cool car LED strip light. I just got it a couple of days ago. It's made by a company called Oxilam, and it comes the whole kit with 4 strips of LED waterproof lights, remote, this is LED controller, and cigarette lighter connector for 12 volt power supply. The LED light strips have a 3M tape on the back, so you can stick them anywhere. They are very flexible and waterproof, which is perfect for car use. You can probably even mount it underneath the car. Here's a little close-up. That's the end of the LED lights. You have a multicolor buttons for changing the colors of the lights, and also lights can change in rhythm of the music. The lights also can be controlled by using your smartphone and the app that controls separate lights. If you're gonna have it connected with your cigarette lighter, this is the button that you push to power it on, power it off. So entire cable is around 6 feet long, and as you can see, this is the connector box, and then they split 4 wires. 2 middle ones are a little bit shorter, and they are designed to go to the front of the car, and 2 of the long ones go under the driver and passenger side. So now, as you can see, the power is on, coming from the cigarette lighter, and I have my lights underneath, and now I can change the lights, I can change the colors however I want it. And now when I'm gonna be talking, you can even hear the microphone picking up my voice, so the voice is going to trigger different colors. If you want your ride you look pretty cool, now you're gonna have a nice cool looking lights. And another option of using this product is to connect this with the regular 12 volt DC power supply, and then this product is not limited anymore to using the car. You can put it anywhere in a house. You can put it probably behind the TV to create a nice accent light. You can put it outdoor, you can put it in the bathroom, basically whatever you want, because this product is waterproof. As you can see, you can control it to really a lot of different options with this remote control. So I really like this product. I like it's built very nicely, and it's nice and strong, and the lights are flexible and are waterproof. So I hope you enjoy my review. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.